Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you the answers of first PUC Economics for Reduced Syllabus 2021 of Model Question Paper 1. This is the part 3. Part 1 and part 2 has already been uploaded, so you can watch that video, and this is the part 3 from question number 35. So let's start. The answer of question number 35 is the World Trade Organization, that is WTO, is the only global international organization dealing with the rules of trade between nations. At its heart are the WTO agreements negotiated and signed by the bulk of the world's trading nations and ratified in their parliaments. The goal is to help producers of goods and services, exporters and importers conduct their business. The WTO is run by its member governments. All major decisions are made by the membership as a whole, either by ministers or by their ambassadors or delegates who meet regularly in Geneva. So this is the answer of question number 35 regarding WTO. Now next comes the answer of question number 36. The question number of answer 36. Poverty is one of the evils that impedes development of the country. Recognizing this, India had pursued various poverty alleviation programs to pull people out of the vicious cycle of poverty. India used multi-pronged approach in dealing with this. Efforts at poverty alleviations have borne fruit in that for the first time since independence, the percentage of absolute poor in some states is now well below the national average. Despite various strategies to alleviate poverty, hunger, malnourishment, illiteracy, and lack of basic amenities continue to be a common feature in many parts of India. So this is the answer of question number 36. You have to write in about 12 lines, 12 sentences. So you can write this answer. This answer is perfectly fine, and it is also about in 12 sentences. Now let's go to question number 37. In between you can also take the screenshot of these answers. Now answer question number 37. Investment in human capital is believed to be a positively related to economic growth. The contribution of human capital formation to economic growth can be explained as follows. You can write the contribution of human capital formation in points. So the point number 1 is increase in labor productivity investment in human capital through expenditure on education, health, etc. enhances the productivity of labor as they become physically fit and skilled in their jobs. And you can write one more point, that is point number 2. Innovations, research and development is necessary for innovations in an economy which lead to advancement in technology and creation of new products. So this is the answer of question number 37. Altogether you have to write 4 answers. So you have to write answer 4 questions from this section, and this is answer of question number 37. You can take the screenshot of these answers, and these all answers you have to write in about 12 lines. So this answer is also in about 12 lines. Now next, question number 38. Answer of question number 38 is women have always been neglected when it comes to education in India. The lack of education has caused exploitation of women and has resulted in a lower social status of women in India. There is an imminent need for promoting female education in India because of the following reasons. You can write the reasons in points. Points will fetch you good marks. So the point number 1 is women education is essential for providing them economic independence and empowering them to save them from exploitation and domestic violence. Point number 2. Women education is essential in order to raise the social status of women so that the quality of life of women can be improved. And the point number 3 is educating women help in promoting welfare programs and thus in population control. So these are the answers of 4 questions of part 8. The answers of which you have to write in about 12 sentences each. And let me tell you that part 1 and part 2 of this model question paper 1 has already been uploaded. So you can watch the part 1 and part 2 from there. This is part 3, that is from question number 35. And here it includes 35, 36, 37, 38 because you have to write only 4 of the questions in about 12 sentences each. And if you want the answers of any other questions, you can comment down in the comment section. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, then please do subscribe to my channel for further notification and for further answers if you need any. Thank you.